going in hyper zone, so it looks like I'm going fast.
Here we are on the track up to High Cup Nick on a beautiful day. Still some people coming up though. Right, here we are. I wouldn't have said. Yeah, it must be halfway, maybe 3/4. I see the weather's fucking perked up a bit. Yeah.
Yeah, it's lashing down now.
Can't see them old fellas behind us.
That dip.
They'll have gone home. Gone to the pub, doing the sensible thing.
Well, we should be filling the pub.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll get a bit better today. Been a bit miserable coming up. Not so bad now. Some water in the becks like. It's a little bit not becks, it just trickles down the side of the hill. Quite a lot of water. It's been up there a while though. Look at the lichens. Yeah.
Maybe just the fucking bottom.
Some new boards on the bottom.
Yeah.
Looks a bit wobbly, look at it.
Some water come down, you can check it. Hell of a lot. Rolling that. Don't know what you think about it. Oi, oi.
Yeah. Go on, roll in it, dog.
Yeah.
Go on, get in this. Yeah.
Oosh.
When you get to this signpost, turn right. It's easy walking, isn't it? Hello. You alright? You been to the pub for something to eat? Yeah, I'm going to have the lamb as well. Alright, bye for now. More water than this. Sounded like there was loads of water coming. It's only steady, real steady compared to like the rain we've had the last day or two. But I suppose the reservoir holds a lot of water back, don't it? Daft bugger if you thought about it. Ha! There you go. There, there. Good. midges and murderers up here today. They've followed us all over. The absolute criminals. It's cold and snout anyhow. Bit of water going over. Quite impressive really. Yeah. Yeah. On the way back now from Couldron Reservoir, going back to Dufton. The sun's starting to get out now. There's Mr. Bloggs and his dog. Obviously this yellow one and the black one's mine. So quite a nice little walk really. Little walk, yeah, little walk. It's only 20 mile. We've done 10, 11 maybe now. Only 9 to go. What's it say at the last signpost? Dufton,
yeah,
8 mile. 8 mile, did it say there?
Is that one 8 mile now?
Don't know.
Didn't look at that.
So it's not far now. We'll be able to have an ice cream and a pint. So if the pub's open, like. So here we are. This is the last major uphill bit, I think.
You know, when I
and
said
it's not
to you,
that
Phil,
bad.
When I said it was just past 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
It still is. I'll watch you stop there.
Yeah, well, we haven't done so bad. We've done 8.5 mile in 5 minutes. Farmer or gamekeeper, whatever he is. Canny man. Nice fella. Yeah, see the tractor right in the distance. You won't see it on this camera. He's doing a bit of roading. So yep, just to see it, can you?
Yeah.
So that's looking back at Couldron Reservoir. So it's not got to be a bad, well, it'll be tea time now. So as we've got no idea of knowing what time it is now, because Stuart's Mickey Mouse watch has got a bit of damp in it and decided not to work. And I don't wear a watch at any time. So I don't know. You can see the bridge now. The bridge is up there. Not long now, about a half a mile up the river. Why wasn't the weather like this 5 hours ago? And we've got a bit of a breeze on, so all the bloody midges have gone. Even Stu's getting warm, look, stripping off. Be down to his trolleys soon, swimming in the beck. Oh, is that a beck or a river? I'd say river. Yeah. Oh. Well, you can see into it now. Difference a couple of hours makes, yeah. Walk over to Couldron snout, come back. Clouds have lifted. See all the way down to the bottom. Come here, Joe. Come on, Joe, here. stay away from the edge. Aren't you? Yeah. Hey, got lift off. New battery. Haha. Yeah.
Drive cows.
Hello, girls. Yeah.
Throw the dog over there and you get height to
Can we have a
cows.
fillet? Give us a fillet, please. I'll have a fillet. Medium rare. No, make it blue. All right. Thank you. Yeah. Here's the dogs. Look. Dogs look like they've just started. Finn's eating some more grass. Now we're coming down into Dufton now. I didn't do nothing on the way down because my battery ran out and my coat was in my backpack and I couldn't be bothered getting it out. So, not far from the car now, and we'll be on our way. Maybe stop off for a cooler before we go home.